Hi everyone. Week 3 assignment of interactive approach in classwork in classroom for online courses. It may be in any class also. Okay. This week we have learnt about online quizzes, different types of tools, online quizzes, and what are the how to create a poll in between an online class or a normal class using Mentimeter. I have explored in Mentimeter. I am planning to use Mentimeter in my classroom and for my presentations also. And one more thing, important thing, using Twitter also we can poll it. We can give any question. It may be related to society or it may be related to our class topic. Anything in our course in Twitter we can use it. So that also I have created a poll. And one more important thing which I have never heard in any other courses is using a digital batch. This enhances the students interest whenever they does any assignment. If we provide them a digital batch, so that they will get, it is like an honor to them that if they have secured some maximum points, then we can give them a badge. So that can be created using many open source tools, where I have used badge badgr, uh, and we also have Cradle, but here we are using badgr tool, and I have used it, and I have created my own for online quiz. I have created a own batch, and if they secure more than the maximum marks, then this can be allotted to them. This is what about the batch. We have also learnt about uh, polling, batch, and online quiz, as well as a rubric. Rubric is also one of the important thing what we have learnt in this. So whatever I have learnt, I have created it. If you just see here, I have created an online quiz. I have added an online quiz for my ECA course in the using Canvas, which is given a 5 points grade. Okay, and this is a graded quiz, and I have given a specific time for that, and also the points which can be added as in my assignment marks. And as I said that I have created a online quiz digital batch, so that I'll be using it to whenever they score maximum marks. Then I have also created a digital batch and also have shared it using this Padlet. Then coming to the poll, in the Twitter poll in hash get into MOOC, I have created a poll where I have given a question as is the online course better than conventional way or face-to-face classroom? Which is better, I felt. Only 50% or 100% I have given, two options. Depending on that, we can provide the answers. And next, the important thing is creating a rubric. Already I know about the rubric. I'll use for my assignments. I have already used the assignments, and one important I mostly use for assessing the lab experiments. So for that I have created a rubric. That is what I have posted in my Padlet. These are the main things what I have taken intakes from my week 3. Still further I want to explore more tools which they have given here. I have used only few, so I will use this all the uh, tools to enhance my teaching skills and to make sure that the students are interested and they are involved in my classroom. Thank you.